So we're on the way. We're going to the pumpkin patch, and I'm so excited because honestly, I've never been to a pumpkin patch before, so this will be my first time, and I'm just so ready to get there, y'all. I'm like feeling pretty festive. Only thing I'm missing is my pumpkin spice latte. Y'all, I didn't even know I liked pumpkin spice until they gave me a sample the other day. They was handing out free samples at Starbucks, and I'm like, oh my gosh, do I like pumpkin? I never knew that, but yeah. Outfit of the day. But we're getting ready to go, you guys. I'll see you when we get there. So y'all, we made it to the pumpkin patch. Let me show y'all. This is part of it. Like, it's a whole thing, y'all. They got a tractor ride. Tractor ride and everything. A car. Good job. Oh, look at the sunflowers. Oh, it's corn. Yes.
Outwood picnic table. Okay. There's a blue building, and we have singles, and we also have apple cider sessions. Oh, okay. And they're just lollipops.
I did this for about a month, and I went back and read it. Threw them all out. Jan, a friend of mine. Enjoy. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Ice cream. Have a good ice cream. I'm not a writer. many? You want to give back over here?
Oh, hi.
No, not eat.
Okay.
Eat, eat.
Okay, come on. Let me go get it for you.
Mommy, eat.
Okay, come on.
They got Christmas trees already. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's really becoming that time. It's time.
Chicken! Chicken!
It's time. And the ducks.
Papa.
That sounds like a rooster. Where he at?
Right here!
Oh, he sound closer. He's so cute.
Annie, be careful.
Mommy!
Good job, Onyx. She said it's a baby. Hi, bunny rabbit. Look at the cheeks.
What?
We're gonna feed the goats. Come on. Them over here.
Yeah, can we go in, please?
Oh.
Thank you. You're gonna, here, get some out. Get some out.
Get a little after.
And give it to him. Like this, Annie. Look.
Mommy,
Here.
Oh, not that one here, buddy. That one.
Ah! Look, Annie.
Hold on.
Put it in your hand. Yeah. Uh-oh. Look, look, look. Here, Annie. Look, look. What does Papa got? Papa, you gonna give it to
Hold
him?
on, Onyx.
Back. Hey!
Mama. I want you to get him.
Jackie putting the grass to the baby mouth.
I'm scared.
They fighting. Here, Annie, get some.
Get it from her. Here, Annie. Whoa.
Hey, baby!
Are you pushing me?
Yeah. He wants some more.
Baby!
Man.
Baby!
Are y'all serious?
Pet.
This one ain't playing. Hi.
That's why it's so big.
Oh my. Here you go. Here you go. Okay.
Pet.
This one, I feel like it's bullying me. Not Errica's eyes.
They're gonna leave with the harness on.
Here, Annie. I want you to give him some. He bullying me.
Okay, I'm gone.
Nuh-uh, Mama. Here, my feel it.
I don't want to feel it.
God, this one. Hi. Oh my gosh. Jessica, give me some grass. up.
Leave my sissy alone. Here. Why you do that? Come here. Oh,
You're right. That is.
hi, Bean Bean. Come here.
Hi, Mimi.
Hi, Mimi.
Here you go.
Mimi.
Now you know how I felt.
I'm about to throw Onyx over this.
Here, leave me sissy alone. Here, star. Onyx, you want some more?
Yeah.
Here, Onyx. Oh, boo boo. Boo boo.
Dropping out. See, that's why you don't need no more. We don't.
Right over here.
Oh my gosh.
Look, they still bullying.
He mean.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
He's not just gonna leave y'all.
Mimi.
He's not gonna leave y'all.
Mimi.
Say run, auntie, run.
Y'all, this goat won't leave us alone.
Okay, I'm happy.
Onyx, get up. Scoot up some, mommy. Hold on.
Me.
He mean. Onyx said he mean. Ah, that one just jumped.
Mimi.
JJ, I think he's trying to call you. I don't know.
Mimi, I mean what, baby? Okay.
Mimi.
The Nina.
Mimi.
Which one?
Huh?
Y'all come over here.
Mimi. 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 Mimi.
Which one?
Huh?
Oh, that's a fresh.
Mimi.
Here, Annie. Oh, he ran him away. Yeah. Here, Bean. Here, Bean. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Yeah, here, Bean, son.
Mimi.
Okay. Ah! Yeah.
Mimi. Mimi.
Now, look, look, look.
Mimi.
Here, Annie.
Mommy, Mimi.
Ooh.
Mommy, Mimi.
Y'all need some home training.
No, Mimi. No, Mimi.
He want to feed Nina.
Mimi.
That's Nina right here. Here.
Okay, you gotta, hold on. Hold on. You gotta wait.
Huh?
Okay. Stop being a bully. Stop being a bully. It's not nice to be a bully. But don't you think that you eat too much?
No.
Don't you do that to me. Why would you be mean to me? Here.
Turn your back on him. Walk away, Jerica.
Let's get out. Oh, Jerica, come on. Mommy, this one is about to. Okay, okay. No. Here.
Mimi. Mimi. Mimi.
Oh! Errica, this one is bullying me. Right there. For the lady. Right there. Tell them to let us out.
Kitty. Nini.
Oh, where Nina? She right here.
I don't know how.
Hi, Nini.
Hi, Nina.
Hi, Nina.
I'm going to tell the man, the boy.
Yeah. These animals. This one right here, Billy, is mean.
Mean.
He a bully.
Okay, come on, y'all.
Mean.
That one was bullying me. The big one? Yeah. Oh, my goodness.
I need to say hi. He ran away.
Dad.
Okay, y'all, let's line up. Yeah, let's line up. Here, Mama, you could go out first. Okay, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah, when I was in there with one of the goats, it sneezed. And then it wiped its nose on my leg. Like, this.
Okay, give it to him.
Like,
I think there's a bed there.
ducks and chickens.
Mama, can you get your phone right quick? Okay, I'm about to have the baby piece.
Go. Let him eat. Her eat. Her.
Kiki. Kiki.
You being mean.
Kiki. Kiki.
What?
Kiki.
And here you go again.
Honey.
Or a four-wheeler.
Look at that.
Yeah. Say hi. Hi, Helen. It looked like her name would be Helen. Running, yeah. What did he say? Alright y'all, so I'm back home, stopped and got me some Chick-fil-A. I was starving, walking around. I had worked up an appetite, y'all. So got me some Chick-fil-A. I also bought me a pumpkin while I was there. I always wanted to go to a pumpkin patch and buy a pumpkin. And I did. And this one, hold on, this pumpkin. It's like green and orange. It's so cute. I love it. So I got my first pumpkin from a pumpkin patch. But it was nice. It was so fun. Tired. But I gotta get ready because I gotta work tomorrow. So I'm getting ready to hop in the shower, get this makeup, what's left of it, off my face, and prepare for tomorrow. Love you guys. Hope you enjoy the vlog.